So you can remove these switch caps pretty easily. Use a flat blade screwdriver and give it a little twisting motion to pop the cap up on each side, and then it comes right off. I'm going to get the screwdriver in from the left and right sides. And then just give it a little twist and they come right off. The switches that are bunched up together are a little trickier to get off. You can get the screwdriver in between two switches and they'll kind of both pop up. Kind of put the screwdriver in at an angle between the two switches and concentrate on the right hand one, and it should pop up. And then in the process the left hand switch also pops up on the side usually. Now the arrow buttons on the number pad are actually the letter V turned on their side, and so you need to get the screwdriver on the top and bottom of those two switches. All the other switches pop off from the sides. Remove one row at a time, and you can access all the buttons. Now the switches are ready for cleaning.